Right guys, I'm with Vince and his MG. So how long you've had it, Vince?
6 years.
6 years.
Pulled it away. Done it up.
It's a lovely car.
3 litre.
You know what I like the steering wheels on these? I always like that steering wheel.
Yeah. It's not standard. Standard steering wheel is 16.5 inches.
Okay.
Which basically rushes your leads.
And what's the mileage on this?
This one, nearly 150,000.
150. Well, you take care of this anyway. Always polished up.
Yeah, it gets polished twice a year. It gets washed every week.
Every week.
Yeah. Friday I do it. I wash
Yeah,
it
that's
on
good.
Friday.
You're supposed to look after your motor. Yeah, I do like this. I come from another angle.
I think it's best it's been 6 years.
You've got a lot of history on the motor.
I've got the history from 1990. Before then, don't know. Yeah, a lot of money's been spent on it by other people. Although it's been left to rot before I got it.
Don't look like it now.
No, but you should have seen it.
You got some old pictures of it, have
I
you?
have somewhere, yeah, 6 years ago it was not. Yeah, it's all right now. Nice cruising machine.
Yeah. My kind of car.